Hello, my name is Sheila Contreras. Today I am going to tell you about do you do in a normal day. My thing. My routine behind when I get up. Usually my time to wake up is at 7:30 in the morning, then I have breakfast. At 8 a.m. we must soon do you do work. My work start time is on way at 9 in the morning and I leave at 1 in the afternoon. Afternoon at 1:20 I help my son with his homework until off in the afternoon. Sometimes time 10 to soccer practice and then going on and 6 in the afternoon. At 6:30 p.m. I prepare dinner for my mother, my son, and myself. At 7 in the afternoon, I'll start my classes and activities. At the university and then at 9, I go to sleep. Usually, I always try to focus on the priorities so I have more time to speak with my friends. Thank you.